touch.
Marek, you are hurt with your leg.
So more like 1 year and a half ago,
What
I
happened?
have one incident of the Achilles. Common time of the corona, so everything is only corona, people. I don't have chance for have been visited, have surgery from the doctors, orthoped and etc. for Achilles base. So I walked and waiting. Final this year from the March started do it with me. Immediately wrong things. So on the final, operation is too late, some orthopedic helping is too late, common infection, I got an operation, I got a next operation later because I start have infection with virus, with bacteria.
Marek, and what are they going to do now about this?
Now is after second surgery, I come and control it and blood another time, change this tverde shoes which I have. 20% of functionality of my leg is back.
25%.
20%, no, second me 25. Maybe I go and find a super physiotherapeutic, like miracle, you know. And
what did they say to you?
Just waiting for analysis of the blood, bacteria don't going on the head. Continued eating antibiotics, which destroying my bowel. It sounds like half kilo for month.
A half kilo antibiotics?
Oh, come up with 2-3 grams of the antibiotics under different chemicals, medicatie for leg, but this for oral for eating. And plus my asthma, cars tumore, I have levetiracetam, and is this 2 weeks I gonna pray, I gonna going crazy, I don't gonna continue it sleep good because I all time thinking about I gonna rest it after 50 years of the life I gonna rest it without leg. Oh.
That is not so good.
For nobody. With suffering.
And how are you, Marek, and how are you feeling now about this?
Confused, just we live it suffering. Depression, it sounds like depression and irritation because we have 2021, we are in the civilization place. Ik betalen all service assurance years.
You have an insurance?
Ja, tuurlijk, ik ben adres en etc. Ik betalen regular allen, like elke een.
Okay.
Not elke, but me, for sure. And these people lying me. I feel like somebody.
Why are you thinking they are lying to you?
Because
Explain.
I'm missing leg, I promise me only I must follow rules. I must bet on this appointment, I must take this protection, I must use this.
So they are not honest to you?
Yeah, tuurlijk, nee, I do it so long, like ignorate it. Something what on the start doctors say, that is serious, that is very dangerous, this is very painful, this is needed emergency surgery, emergent intervention. These people sounds like...
What do you want to say now to the doctors and the people who are tweeting you?
I want to say thank you very much to my house doctor.